Hi there, students. To throw good money after bad. So this is to waste or to lose your money by spending more money on something that already is no good. Yeah, something you've already spent money on. So that car of yours, you should send it to the scrapyard because repairing it's just throwing good money after bad. Yeah, things just keep going wrong with it. It's just a lemon, that car is. So to throw good money after bad, to attempt to get back losses that you've previously incurred and to waste even more money. Yeah, it's like this story about the guy who lends somebody a euro, and the person won't pay him back, and they don't pay him back. So he goes to see this person, and to see this person he needs to take a ferry across the river, which costs him €2. And he gets to the person's door, and the person isn't there. And he has to go back home again, and he spends another €2 on the ferry. So that's throwing good money after bad. He's lost €4 trying to get a euro back. Yeah, that's clearly crazy. Okay, so this is the idea of throwing good money after bad. To try to get your initial losses back by spending additional money on it. Yeah, this is known as the sunk costs fallacy by economists. Yeah, this says that somebody who's invested quite money into a project, yeah, and the project is clearly not working, it's not doing very well, and they invest more money into it because they have already invested a lot of money in it, even though they are not likely to see their money back. Yeah, so it aligns with their previous decisions, but it's clearly irrational behavior. This is like an escalation of commitment. Yeah, so don't throw good money after bad. It's just a waste of time. Yeah, I lent John 20 quid last month and he didn't pay me back. So now he's asked me again for another 20 quid, and I've just said I'm not going to throw good money after bad. Yeah, I think if you use the phrase in for a penny, in for a pound, well, maybe you could end up throwing good money after bad. So the good money is money that you still have and you can use, and the bad money is water under the bridge. It's money you've lost, and you have to just write it off and say, well, I'm not going to get it back. Yeah, I think maybe the governments very often tend to continue throwing good money after bad because they're very slow to react to things. Yeah, so well, throwing good money after bad. Yes, you feel really upset about the fact that the first money you spent was no good, but you're better off just writing it off, forgetting about it, instead of throwing good money after bad, just spending more money to try and get it back. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so look, I know this kid doesn't study. He's not good. He's not a good student. He doesn't like studying. Yeah. So I think continuing to send him to this expensive school is just throwing good money after bad. Yeah, yeah, it's not going to make any difference, and you're just going to have to accept the money that you've lost before. You can sometimes use the word pour or chuck good money after bad. Yeah. Um, hmm. Okay, so yes, banks, they will lend you to a certain level, and then in kicks the idea that they're not going to throw good money after bad. Yeah, after investing money in this project, in this investment, after putting money into this investment, it went down radically. So don't throw good money after bad, because you're probably just going to end up losing more money. Yeah, and that's the idea. Okay, so to throw good money after bad. How formal or informal is this? I think I'd probably give it 4.5 informality. Use in an informal conversation. It's a great word to use in business. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but not something very formal. Okay, so yeah, don't throw good money after bad, because you're just going to end up with even greater losses. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To throw good money after bad.